Welcome to our cooking video, where today we will talk about an ideal dish for hot days. Cucumber and yogurt cream, a cold velvety soup enriched with aromatic herbs and a refreshing touch of lemon. Ingredients: 2 large cucumbers, preferably of the Dutch type, 250 grams of Greek yogurt or whole yogurt, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 clove of garlic, the juice of half a lemon, salt and black pepper to taste, chives or fresh dill to taste for garnish, a pinch of dried mint, optional. To start, wash the cucumbers well and, if you prefer, partially peel them, leaving strips of skin. Cut the cucumbers into pieces and put them in a blender. Add the garlic clove with the central core removed and the lemon juice. Blend everything until you get a homogeneous mixture. In a bowl, mix the yogurt with the extra virgin olive oil. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper to your taste. Combine the cucumber and yogurt mixture and stir until it becomes creamy and uniform. Let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving to intensify the flavors. When serving, garnish with chopped fresh chives or dill and a sprinkle of dried mint for an even fresher taste. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and visit our website to stay updated with new recipes and cooking tips. This cucumber and yogurt cream can be served as a cold starter or as a sauce to accompany grilled fish dishes or salads, adding a touch of balsamic vinegar for a sweet sour note or some fresh basil leaves for a Mediterranean fragrance. Cucumber cream with yogurt is a dish found in various world cuisines and is enjoyed with local variations such as katsuk in Turkey and tzatziki in Greece.